For 2,000 years, people came and went from Egypt and were impressed by the pyramids, but they had no real idea who had built them or why. It was impossible to know, because all the evidence was written in a form of writing that had disappeared, in which nobody knew how to read. That form of writing is called hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics are found all over Egyptian temples and monuments. But how could anyone learn what was written? The story begins here, in modern Egypt, with a famous French general named Napoleon. He wanted to know the story. So he didn't just bring soldiers with him, he brought scientists and historians to study Egypt. In 1799, they discovered the most important piece of the puzzle of Egyptian history, the Rosetta Stone. Why was it so important? Well, as you can see from this version of its front face, there is writing all over it. And, which is the best part, it contains the same thing written 3 different times in 3 different forms of writing. At the top is hieroglyphics. In the middle is hieratic. At the bottom is ancient Greek. A French historian named Jean-François Champollion made the crucial discovery. He saw that certain words and names repeated in the Greek version of the text, and he guessed that they would be repeated in the same way in the other kinds of writing. Because of his efforts, we now have the ability to read ancient Egyptian texts and to know the history of ancient Egypt as well as anyone before us.